Well, it's another beautiful morning, and I just fed the dogs. I've gotten breakfast and starting to move around. It's a beautiful day. Look at this. Be doing North Star Trail from north to south, and it's about 40 miles long. I was wanting to leave by 9. It looks like it'd be more like 9:30. I'm on vacation time. Well, I'm as ready can be, I guess. Let's go! Good little stop. Let the pups out, stretch their legs. Same for me. The GPS tells me this is Diamond Creek number 40 trailhead. So that's what it is. So this campground, I saw two picnic tables, one over by my side by side, one here, but there is a little trail here. Walk down here, and there's another camp spot. Yeah, pretty cool spot. Got the creek flowing right here, right beside you. I'm gonna use this Black Canyon Campground. Take a breather and give me some summer sausage, cheese, and crackers. Yeah. to a dead end, and it looks like there's a little trail right over there somewhere. You can park here and hike that trail. Another little spur off the main road. I'm thinking it's like 3 or 4 miles maybe. Took a wrong turn. That looks like private property. It's locked. But this is right here is the parking area. And then I'm gonna guess that right here is a trail down to the Gila River. I'm not a hiker. Uh-oh. See where this goes. That's it. I mean, you can muscle your way a little further, I think, but I saw this campsite yesterday, but got a little time to kill. Any second now, I'm looking out for Dances with Wolves to come over the horizon or something, and on horseback and gallop over here or something. I don't know. Well, hitting another spur off the main road. No idea where it goes. Goes to a dried up pond. I'm in the home stretch, just about another 8 miles or something, back to the truck, just cruising now. Made it home. Easy, and got my little fire started, and yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna move to another spot. Loaded up side by side in the trailer. She's all locked down, cleaned out, ready to go. Time to say goodbye to this camp spot. Head out this morning towards I'm gonna head out and go up towards Socorro, then go west and towards Very Large Array and Pie Town, and go into the Sawtooth Mountains area. So that's the next spot. Yeah, let's get her going. Just left Socorro, and I'm on 60 headed west to the Sawtooth Mountains. I got gas, propane, ice, I'm on the dirt. Time to find a camp spot. I got a couple marked a little ways down the road. I'm just going kind of slow. It's washboardy. So, yeah, not too far from here. Maybe another mile. Alright, I got this camp spot. Or the only one. There's a fire ring. My truck pulled in, camper, and I get good sun here, at least in the evening, for the solar. There's enough room for another truck trailer there. We have someone here. Check this out. I got a two 4x6s, and this is my third camp spot, and that's the only thing that I've needed to level. Look at that, baby. And I even got 3 bars of service here. Roughing it, but not roughing it. Yeah, baby. I got my side-by-side unloaded, and over here got a fire ring. Already cut up some wood that was laying on the ground. Might as well hang out at camp, get a good fire, and just chill, really, kind of. Get things set up. See if we can't get it going here.